All right, today we're gonna have a little fun, and we got out the OTC scope, and we got got some resistors out for demonstration purposes. We got a resistor there. There's our resistance, but let me see. I'm gonna go a little bit further back so you can. Let me see if I can make this happen. Okay, here we go. Now watch the meter. Keep your eye on the meter. Back in the water. See how that meter keeps walking? Let's see how low it's gonna go. As you can tell right here, the meter's trying to auto scale. So, it's just going. See if I can turn off the auto. Maybe that'll help. Okay, there we go. So it stopped auto scaling, and now it's gonna just keep reading. Take it back out. Oh, lost my lead. There we go. Yeah. Anyway, you get the point, right? So that's what happens when you have bad connectors, or you have some kind of liquid getting into the connector or the pins or the wiring. It just totally ruins the reading, and the computer goes crazy. And for whatever reason, people sometimes don't bother to break connections apart to check for moisture or fuel or oil or whatever's getting in there. But as you can tell, it makes a difference. Point being, keep the connections clean. Dielectric grease. Some people don't like that idea, but hey, whatever it takes to keep the stuff out. Anyway, something I thought I'd share. Thanks.